Automating the job application process is very controversial, as we saw in class a few weeks ago. People can feel like the AI would be picking applications based on race, gender, geography, and the list goes on and on. So it's just a very controversial subject.
Question 2 asks, suppose I am asked by a Chipotle store to design a physical kiosk to be placed in the restaurant for ordering food. The kiosk has a large screen to display various food items. A customer can point at a food item to choose what to order. One solution based on direct pointing would be using something like a stylus for the iPads or any electronic device that could touch the food item on the screen to select what they'd want to eat. For a solution based on indirect pointing, the customer could point to a number or a keyword on a list that corresponds to that same one on the food menu. Question 3 asks us to represent these two levels using proximity for level 1 and similarity for level 2. In this diagram, we see that the proximity is represented by A and B being close to each other and C being off in the distance. Here in level 2, we see that A is distinguishable by both color and shape, B is distinguishable by the shade, and C is distinguishable by its color and separate shape.
There are many different scenarios where a blind person could, use visual assistance. Couple of which being, looking at a menu at a shop. They'd need visual assistance for that. There's no way they could really tell what's on the menu. Also, directions would be a huge one. Where they're going, what cross streets they're at, how would they know? They'd need visual assistance for that. And also just really any type of interface on a phone, some mobile application or something, they wouldn't really know what's going on unless there was some type of braille behind it, which, is impossible for a phone at least. So, yeah.